Hello and welcome back to the second topic within Data Mart in this section. So why do we need Data Mart? So we learned about what is Data Mart in our previous lecture. So let's learn about why do we need Data Mart? So what purpose the Data Mart serves when it comes to the data warehouse. So first one is Data Mart helps to ensure or enhance users response time due to reduction in the volume of the data. So since data is segregated and stored in a dedicated data mart, the query response is better. For example, from enterprise data warehouse system, data mart is created for each department such as sales, marketing, and IT, and the finance. That means you are segregating the data based on the need and based on the departments. Second one is easy access to frequently requested data. If sales team is accessing the data repeatedly, then all the data will be supplied from the sales data mart. Data marts are simpler to implement when compared to the corporate data warehouse. At the same time, the cost of implementing the data mart is certainly lower compared with implementing a full data warehouse. If you're implementing the excuse me, data warehouse system only for the sales, then it's called sales data mart. So your effort and the cost is limited to only this data warehouse system. Next one is compared to data warehouse, a data mart is agile. In case of change in the model, data mart can be built quicker due to a smaller size. Since the data warehouse is at the corporate or enterprise level, the change management is not easy. While data mart is limited to a particular department, the changes management or the handling the change is easy. So data mart is defined by a single subject matter expert. On the contrary, the data warehouse is defined by interdisciplinary SMEs from a variety of domains. Hence, the data mart is more open to change compared to data warehouse. Like I already mentioned, right? So data mart requires single subject matter expert who knows well about that subject. Hence, it is more open for the change. On the other hand, the data warehouse is from the multiple departments. We need broader subject matter experts who knows details from every other department to make the changes. So it's that open to the change. It's not that open to the changes compared to the data mart. Data is partitioned and allows very granular access control privileges. Since data is segregated, it's very easy to give access to user based on their department they belong to. For example, sales folks have access to only the sales data, and similarly, marketing folks will have access to only the marketing data. So, because of all these reasons, we need to have a data mart. This is data mart concept is very important because not every organization or a company need a data warehouse, a full-fledged data warehouse. If your company is a small and you can still handle that with a data mart, then you can go for that. So it's really important to understand the difference between data warehouse and data mart. Anyway, you're going to learn about those differences in the upcoming topics. So I'm going to explain each one of them in detail. I hope you enjoyed this session of the data mart. I will talk to you in the next chapter. Thank you.